In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and adjust audio timing in Moho. Before we start, make sure you have your audio file ready to go. Moho works great with common formats like WAV and MP3. If you have a choice, a high-quality WAV file is often the most reliable for clean timing, especially for music cues or lip sync. Open your project in Moho, then head to the top menu and choose File, then Import and select Audio File. This path tells Moho you're bringing in sound specifically, so it can set things up correctly in your scene. A file browser will appear. Locate your WAV or MP3 and confirm your choice. As soon as you do, Moho will automatically create a sound layer for you. Think of this as a dedicated track that holds your audio. You'll see it appear in your layers panel, and its waveform will be visible along the timeline. This is handy because those peaks and valleys give you a visual map of your audio, which makes syncing to motion much easier. Next, it's time to preview. Click play in the timeline to listen. Watch the playhead move across the waveform as the audio plays back. This quick check helps you confirm that the correct file was imported, that the volume feels right in context, and that your timing is close to what you had in mind. If your audio is music, listen for beats or transitions. If it's dialogue, note where keywords land. Now, adjust the timing by dragging the sound layer horizontally along the timeline. Select the layer, then click and drag to the left or right to nudge where the audio starts. This is a non-destructive move. You're not editing the audio itself, just repositioning its start point within your scene. Slide it until important sounds line up with the frames where you want action to happen. For example, match a drum hit to a character's jump, or align a spoken syllable to a mouth shape. If you need finer control, make small drags and preview again. It's normal to go back and forth between playing and adjusting a few times to dial it in. A couple of practical pointers as you work. Aiming to start critical audio around clear frame boundaries can help keep things predictable. And if you're matching to animation, use the waveform as your guide. Strong peaks usually indicate audible hits you can sync to. That's it. You imported your audio, previewed it, and adjusted its timing using the sound layer. With this workflow, you'll get cleaner, more intentional sync in your Moho projects.